Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today as you see we're going to do this natural eyebrow routine. So stick around to get this look and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I like to use the MAC pencil brushes. Now my favorite color is spiked, and I also have another favorite color that I will use later on, but I will start off with spiked, and I like to start off by lining my eyebrow. I will start with short strokes making the line at the bottom, and then also short strokes making the line at the top, and then third go back in and fill in the middle. I also like to go in and do really light strokes at the beginning of my brows so that when I go back and clean them up and brush them out, it'll still have a natural look. So this is a natural eyebrow routine that I like to do on a daily basis. And don't worry about right now, things may look a little messy. You may have messed up your line, but don't worry because you're going to go in and you're going to clean it up with a concealer. So fill in both of your brows and we'll be back to clean it up. Also, you all, I'm not making really harsh lines. I'm doing like soft strokes, as I said earlier, not as soft as I would do the beginning of my brows, but I'm doing soft strokes so it's not so dark, because like I said, this is a natural eyebrow look. Once you've filled in your brows, go in and just brush them out and just clean them up so you can see if you have any empty spots. You can go back in and fill those. And then I like to also brush and press hard to kind of, not super hard, but a little firm to move that color around also. And if you move the color around, you may not have to go back in and fill it. You can just move the color around with your brush that's at the end of the pencil. And then just look to see if your eyebrows are even, the shape is nice. Even though we haven't cleaned it up, just make sure the shape is all right so that you can you won't have to do too much cleanup. Now I'm going to go in with my other favorite color, which is Stud by MAC. It's a little darker. Now I don't put this on my whole eyebrow. I like to put it only at the ends of my brow to give it like the not a fully gradient look, but it just makes it look more full at the end of my brow, and then as it gets to the beginning you have like more like thin hairs, but it gives it like a natural gradient look so it doesn't look like a sharp look at the beginning, and then it fades as it gets to the end of my brows. You can do this. This is just something I like to do extra. You don't have to. If you like the way it looks with just the one solid color, that's fine, but this is just something extra I like to do. And then I go in and just brush it and blend those two colors together with my brush. Now it's time to clean. I like to start off with a brush that has like a round tip, and the reason why is because I'm not doing a sharp line at the bottom, and so it's easy for me to make that curved line underneath my brows. So I like to go in with a small brush and also a round concealer brush, and I start off with just a little bit of concealer if I'm doing a natural look, and I will use my skin tone concealer. I'm actually using MAC Pro concealer, and I like to go in just with a little bit and drag it down my eyebrow. And I may not wear eyeshadow, so I don't use a lot, just to keep it normal or natural, I'm sorry. And after I do the bottom, I like to go above my brows and clean those up with my same skin tone concealer. Now if I was doing an eyeshadow, I would do my natural color at the top, my natural skin color at the top of my brows, and at the bottom I would do a lighter shade, because whatever shade is at the bottom will also be like a kind of primer for my eyeshadow as well. So do this with both eyes, clean up any mistakes that you've seen, and also don't forget to do the tops as well. Now as you can see, I'm about to go in and I'm going to just brush the beginnings of my brows like towards my other eyebrow, like bring some of that the color over so it could just have that faded look. And then if you mess up, you can go back in and conceal the bottom just a little bit, not too much, but because you're going to move that color around a little bit. But I do like to do that, brush the beginning of it to fade it out a little bit. And once you do that, go in with your eyebrow gel. This is just some random eyebrow gel. I found it when I was in Mexico at a vendor. I don't even think it's branded, but you can find any eyebrow gel. It doesn't have to be any expensive. This is a clear color. They do have gels that are colored, but this is clear because I already did my brows. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.